Here is a type 1 error question. So there's a person claiming that they can read the back of a card and say whether it's a heart, club, diamond or spade. So we test this person with 18 cards and we set up a somewhat artificial critical region by saying that if he guesses 8 or more cards correctly, then we'll accept that he can do this thing. And therefore, what's the chance of a type 1 error? The question has to be set this way because a type 1 error is just the significance level of the test. But in this question, we weren't told that. So it's kind of saying, what's the significance level? So, first of all, you define, so importantly, what the hell you're talking about, which is, what is the distribution of the variable in question? Well, it's that, because there's 4 suits, and there's 18 attempts, it's a binomial. Then you set up your hypotheses, fairly straightforward, and we're going to see if he's better than that. Then, in order to do a probability of a type 1 error, I think this is the best procedure. First of all, you think to yourself, what is the critical region here? Well, it's given in the question. Probability, well, it's just x is greater than or equal to 8. So think about what a type 1 error is. Can you just define that in your head? What it is, this. So what is the probability that h0 will be rejected even though it's true? And so we just have to do this calculation here. What is the probability that x is greater than or equal to 8 when x is under this distribution? So in other words, it's a very straightforward binomial question. And so we just treat this as a normal binomial question, as in not normal, as in just a binomial question. The probability that x is greater than 8 is 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 7. And so we can do that on the old calculator with a BCD, blah, 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 and that's it. 0.943, or do 1 minus that, which is 5.69%. And you can think of that as the significance level of the test. You could say it's the true significance level, or the probability of type 1 error.